Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to talk about what's going on in Bitcoin. And lately Bitcoin has been hit by another China FUD, and this is a common thing which we have seen along the run. But we had seen a lot of panic, and again the same stuff which we have heard, that Bitcoin has peaked. This 68,000 was the new all-time high, and the rally is over. But uh, there are some interesting things which you guys should understand. This was the same thing which we had seen when Bitcoin made a high over near 52,000, and then we had a position which had liquidated all longs up to 42,000. It was a straight candle, and if you remember, even the exchanges, they were lagged, and we weren't able to use those exchanges. And we had seen that again we made a high over here up to 48,000, and again the same thing, near we went up to 38,000. And everyone, like, this was the dead cat bounce, and this run is over, the Bitcoin has already peaked. But then we saw a very good breakout of Bitcoin, and it led to a new all-time high near 68,000. So sorry, 69,000. So the similar thing is happening over here. Similar setup. It's the similar setup, and Bitcoin made an all-time high near 68,969,000, and then we saw a red candle of 62. Then again it went up to high nearly 66,000, and now we are testing a strong support. We made a high up to 58,800. This is the low which we have made, and what I'm expecting is Bitcoin should range at this zone. The last time when Bitcoin had ranged in this zone, we had seen our ALTs, low caps and high cap, I mean mid cap and low cap ALTs, they had a rally. So maybe for a week, maybe for a week or two, if Bitcoin ranges in this zone before the breakout, we are going to see another rally. So this point isn't a zone for your panic selling. If you panic sell here, there isn't any point, because this is, we are expecting Bitcoin to hold this support which will, similar support. And once we have ALT's rally, then we are expecting Bitcoin to break out the final rally, I mean the final leg up. The final leg up, you can see maybe 10 to 15,000 pump, 10 to 15,000 dollars gains in a single day too. And this was expected. This was we had seen in 2017 2015 runs. And the final leg up, it's usually we won't, it's just we have to keep our sell orders, because we won't be able to sell it at the right time because of the volatility, and no one is able to sell at the peak. So just keep your sell orders over there. So what is the point of panic? We have seen a lot of people panicking over here, panic selling over here, panic selling over here, and 58,000, a lot of them had panic sold. But what is actually the point of panic? The only point to panic is when we lose this support 53,000. Above this we are still bullish. This is bullish territory. We are still in bullish territory, and until we break 53,000, there isn't any sign of panic. And this is, correction is a part of market. We had seen a small correction over year two when Bitcoin had a high of over year near 67,000. We had a correction up to somewhat similar, but this time the only difference is we had China FUD, so the candles a bit strong, and we had seen ELTs bleed. And this isn't a bad sign. This isn't a bearish sign. A bearish sign is only when we break this 53,000 support. I consider this as healthy, and it's quite similar. If you see, the pattern is also quite similar. And then we'll see, we were expecting Bitcoin to break out, and we aren't expecting a bear market this early. Maybe January, February of 2022. That's when we're expecting bear market. So everything is fine. And if you look at the total market cap, even the total market cap, it's at its strong support. We have a strong support over here, and even this should hold. So even this can start ranging over here, like how we are expecting our Bitcoin to range. We're even expecting this thing to range at this level. So once it ranges between 2.5 to 2.6 trillion dollars, even Bitcoin should range at this level from 59 to 60, $61 or 61,000. Bitcoin can range over here. This will lead to a peak in market cap of ALTs, money flow into your ALTs, low cap and mid cap. So this thing should happen, and testing the lower support will show weakness in the market. So the only thing is we have to not test the lower support, and if we have to hold this 53,000, and that's the point of panic. So I wouldn't recommend anyone to panic sell at this point. You can keep stop loss below $58,000. Below $58,000, you can keep stop loss, because if you break this support, obviously you're going to test this lower at 53. So you can keep a stop loss below 58,000, and it would be good to pick at 53 if that's what it's going to happen. But the expectation is we're going to range at this zone, and there isn't any panic. Hope you guys are safe, and thank you guys for watching.